Hi, what would you like today?
A money order.
People are just so money orders. Who gets money orders? You know there'll be a fee that you have to pay to get a money order at this bank.
Yesterday I sent my money here and I don't have any money on me.
So that is not my problem. You're always supposed to have some money when you come to the bank. There are fees you have to pay, lady.
No. Not fees for me.
Fees for the bank.
Talk to me. She's not talking to me. Shut up. Okay. No. No. Can you just give me my money or if I can get out of here? Please.
$655,031, ma'am.
I'm not paying that. No.
We'll get out of this bank.
Bad.
Next customer.
I've walked miles just to get up here.
We don't want to hear about your whole life. How may I help you?
For days.
How may I help you?
I need change for $2.
Where's the $2?
In the cash register.
Where's your $2, ma'am? Ma'am, we don't want to hear about your whole life story, ma'am.
Well, then I guess I gotta leave. Goodbye.
Next customer.
Where is the money?
Get out of my bank, ma'am. Next customer.
My grandbaby.
Did not tell you not to come back. Did not tell you not to come back, ma'am. Next customer.
Hello.
How do you do? You talk too loud, sir. Can you please lower it down?
I'm so sorry.
You talk too deep, sir.
My wife just canceled our date.
That is not the bank's problem, sir.
I need money.
Sir. I can't help you, sir.
Sorry, wrong person, wrong time.
Next customer.
My grandmother, she's gone.
That is not the bank's problem.
My grandbaby.
Get out of my bank.
Give me some money.
Get out of my bank, sir. No. Get out of my bank. Get out of my bank, sir. Your bank, bro.